Dhruv does it. So hey guys, my name is Dhruvdoesit. So today I have the 9-volt battery. It's so much powered and fully charged. And this is the motor. And this is projector. And this is the switch. And this is the fan. And this is the clip, which are used if you don't want to solder in these things via in. Now see now, it works now. Now I'm going to show you how to put it. First we need a fan, and then a 9-volt battery, and then a switch. Switch is very important to on and off things. Okay, it's little if you don't have a soldering iron, just circle things like this.
Yes, twisting.
Hello guys, so today I made the connection like this. Now I connect the wire. Now it also gave a little bit here. See now. And this is 9-volt battery. It works great. And it's very nice, and this is the DC motor, and this is also DC switch. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Dhruv does it.
अच्छा please 1 2 3 Dhruv.
Hope you like the video.